Good evening, guys. Today I'm going to bring you to one of my favorite restaurants. As a kid, I haven't been here in years, but if you're from Tamuning, if you know, you know. And it is LIENG'S Restaurant at the Holiday Exchange. Let's go check it out. LIENG'S Restaurant at the Holiday Exchange. This is like the original place where I learned how to like do the Vietnamese Lumpia. Alright, LIENG'S. This is the place where I learned about the Vietnamese Lumpia that has like lettuce and bean sprouts and noodles, and you dip it in that like fish sauce vinegar. That's what we're gonna get here today, as well as we'll check out this menu, what else they have. Also, what I do know here, what's very good here is the pork chop. Here's the menu, let's go check it out. Yeah, so LIENG'S Holiday Restaurant. It's in Tamuning. If you're from Tamuning, you know this place. Hell yeah, that's their hours. It's a Vietnamese cuisine type of restaurant here in Guam. This is their menu. Not bad, look at that. There's their prices for whoever always asks me about prices when I ever do vlogs. This is the one. We're gonna get this fresh lumpia. It does come with oh, that's fresh lumpia, fried lumpia. It does come with their lettuce, the bean sprout, and the noodles, like I said. Pretty good stuff. We'll just get a half order. Not bad. Some specialties right here. There's like fried pork chop. I know they even have sinigang. That's crazy. There we go. Looking good. Even the ribs. And then the back of the menu is like this. Shrimp soup with tomato. That's some specialties. They even had pad thai. Oh man. Oh wow. Nasty, man. Good stuff. I like this 21 and number 39. Nothing. I could order that. This is a very special place for me because as a kid I used to come here. They used to have like a cool arcade machine over there, like where you could play games, like Fists of Fury or Streets of Fury. I forgot what it's called. But yeah, I used to come here with my sister, my mom. Some good stuff. My first Vietnamese restaurant here in Guam. But as a kid, I used to come here, right? And they used to have like carpet on the ground, arcade machine, like I said. And they even had like, before, you could also smoke inside the restaurant. It would be like people smoking here while they're eating. Good stuff. Not good stuff, but you know, just a cool nostalgic throwback for me here at LIENG'S in the Holiday Exchange. Yeah, we're gonna order. Can I get this fried lumpia? The fried pork chop? So yeah, this place is like a hole in the wall. It's hidden. If you're from Tamuning, if you know, you know, kind of deal. Pretty cool spot. I'll show you how it looks in a bit. They even have a sink out here to wash because you do eat this lumpia with your hands. Good stuff. That's cool. Look at the lemonade. Give you a lemon. Got this reusable, or what's that? Paper straw. Good stuff. Taste it. Ooh. It's that iced tea, that real sweet one where they mix it up. There's some good stuff. Looks so good. Woo! Thank you. Okay, I got the pad thai over here. And then we got the lumpia that you make a little wrap with. That lumpia, yeah. Thank you. Yo, this is the fried lumpia, Vietnamese lumpia. I'm not sure what it's called in Vietnamese, but you're gonna make a little wrap of it with this. Put this bean sprout along with the noodles, and then dip it in. Oh, I think we got our pork chop. Got some fettuccine over here on the side and pork chop. Thank you. These pork chops cook really good, and it has some cool salad. The lady's gonna get a thing, and then of course you got the rice. I love that stuff. All right, we drizzled it with that Thousand Island sauce, which makes this even better. Jen's gonna try this pad thai, which tastes like pancit out.
Tastes like
Palabok.
Filipino pancit and palabok.
Combined?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is because it's Thai food, but we're in a Vietnamese restaurant, so these will taste even better. We'll excuse that one for now. I'm gonna give it a bite for that. Ooh. Give this bad boy a try. Do you like palabok?
Me, yeah.
It's an interesting one of pad thai, but good shit. So, like I said, you take this big romaine lettuce, you get some of this noodle here, be generous with it, some good stuff, and of course the bean sprouts. And you get this hot lumpia, just like that. And I like spicy, so I'm gonna pop that bad boy up with chili garlic, sriracha, kinda. Okay, and then we're gonna fold it, or like roll it, just like that. All right. We got our, I think it's like fish sauce, I'm not sure what it's called. Dip it in there. Little bite. Really good childhood nostalgia right now that I'm having. Good stuff. Hot. The chili makes it even more spicy, but has good spice. It's like a pancit palabok. This is the goat of fried pork chops that I would say. Cooked really well. Look at that. We got the fettuccine, soy sauce and lemon and a little pink like lemon juice. Yeah. The way they season it makes the dish even better. If you know, you know. LIENG'S here in Tamuning. Good stuff. So those are the owners. They've been open for 41 years here on Guam. I wasn't even born yet, but I've been coming here since I was a kid. It's very nostalgic and it's really nice to actually still see them around. It's cool. It's one of those really like vintage mom and pop, vintage hole in the wall restaurants that have been around for ages. So it's really cool. I'm very happy to see them, and they're cool, man. Very cool people. All right, excuse the plate, but this lumpia, it's the reason why it sells and it's really good to get here is because it's really like the right wrap. It's like an egg roll, right?
Yeah.
It tastes really like a real lumpia. Has like a,
and it's more flavor.
And there's more flavor of this lumpia here.
Not like just the noodles and stuff.
Yeah, it actually has like a chicken.
Yeah. And I think it's not just like the baked chicken. It's really like a real chicken that they grind it. So that's why it's so tasty. You can like it.
Yeah.
You eat one.
Yeah, and it's really like a real spring roll, egg roll. But the flavor is really good. That's what makes this, if you come here, I recommend you get this. That's what makes this really good, besides the pork chop. The pad thai, I wouldn't say to get as much. I wouldn't recommend it, but pork chop, this, and also I didn't get it this time, but there's a combination soup here that's really good here at Liengh's. All right, Liengh's here in the Holiday Exchange in Tamuning. Again, I came here as a kid, and it's nice to come here with my kid, Mikkel, for the first time to actually eat here. Again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you did. Like the video if you did, and then subscribe if you haven't. My name's Mark. Peace. I'm out.